Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the classes now. Let's continue our lesson in English. We are doing lesson 4. It's all about our great scientist Einstein, Albert Einstein. In our previous class, we have read about the introduction. As a young boy, he was just like any other child, and when he reached the age of 26, after doing much research, he took the world by storm. The world was surprised because one after another he published 4 groundbreaking research about light, electrodynamics, about molecular, about energy, and so on. So now, after introduction, we'll continue our lesson. We'll go through. There are 7 points I've written over here. We'll go one by one and try to understand. And watch the portal every day. Make a habit so that you will not miss anything. So now we'll begin now. Number 1. Albert Einstein was born on 14th of March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. He was born in Germany, in the city of Ulm, on 14th of March 1879. That was the first point. Number 2, as a child, when he was very young, there was no indication. Indication means sign. There was no sign that he was born to be great. He behaved and everything did like a normal child, like a common child. There was no indication that he is born to be great. So, moreover, his mother thought Albert was an abnormal child. He was an abnormal child. Why? Because he hardly spoke to anyone, and till the age 2.5 years of age, he did not speak. His mother thought Albert was an abnormal child, or abnormal means freak. To her, to his mother, his head seems too large, too big. He wasn't speaking till the age of 2.5 years. This showed that his mother thought that he is very abnormal. He hasn't spoken till the age of 2.5. Normally, a child starts speaking when he reaches the age of 10 months or 11 or 1 year, practically. Within 1 year, he starts speaking. But here, to Albert Einstein, it was past 2 years, but he couldn't speak. When he began to learn speaking, when he began to speak, he uttered everything twice. He stammered. So this showed that his mother thought that he is a freak. He is an abnormal child. And nobody thought that he will become a great scientist in future. Nobody thought. Nobody had any idea about that. He did not know what to do with other children. Naturally, the children, whenever they see another child, they will play. They will go and they start playing. But this boy, Einstein, he did not know what to do with other children. So, his playmates call him Brother Boring. His friends of his age, they called him very boring. He is very boring. He doesn't know how to play. He doesn't play with us. Einstein was not interested to play with other children. He played alone most of the time. Most of the time he wanted to be alone. He loved loneliness. So he was always playing alone. So he loved mechanical toys. He loved mechanical toys very much. When he had a newborn sister named Maza, when his sister was born and her name was Maza, he said to his mother, "Mother, she is very fine, but where are her wheels? I can't see any wheels." He began to see, where are the wheels? There's no wheel. So this shows that he was very innocent. He began to look for the wheels. When his mother brought his sister in front of him, he started searching for the wheels. And he said, "Fine." Fine means she's beautiful, very good. But where are her wheels? And later on he went to school and started learning. He was a normal child. At that time, his study was like any other student. He was not very smart at that time. His grades or his marks were not very high, not very low, medium. So that means a headmaster once told his father, maybe the headmaster called him, maybe he was not good in the class, or maybe something he had done and his father was called in the office, and the headmaster told him, his father, what did he say? What he chose as a profession in future. In future, whatever profession he will choose, whatever work he wanted to do, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. He will never succeed because he will never make a success at anything. The headmaster also could not understand this child. He said that this child, your son, will not make anything. He will not become a successful person. He said, I can't see any qualities in him. The headmaster was also mistaken. Even his mother also was mistaken. Nobody knew that he will become a great scientist later in future. Much means he had the talents, but it was hidden and nobody noticed. No one was able to notice his hidden talents. The way he loved mechanical toys, that was a sign, but nobody noticed that. He never played with other children. That was a sign. He always loved to play alone. Means his whatever ideas he had, that was original. He did not copy anything from others. So, but these signs nobody noticed. Even his mother was failed. Her mother failed to understand him. And even his headmaster also failed to understand him. He said he will never make a success at anything later in life, whatever profession he will choose. That was the lesson for today, and we will continue our lesson in our next class. Thank you for watching, and keep on watching the portals and go through the lesson. We have reached lesson 4. A truly beautiful mind. It's all about the Einstein, his progress, his lifestyle, and his family life. Everything we'll learn part by part. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll meet in the next class and keep on studying at home. Don't waste your time.